Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's kind of been a bit of a while for me, I'm not gonna lie. So I guess I'm just gonna give you a little, my hair looks awful. It's like, I don't have time to do my hair these days. I'm too busy, too busy to do my hair. But anyway, I thought I'd give you a little catch up, I guess. Just kind of, well, maybe some of you probably don't care where I've been, but I'm going to be doing a makeup haul and I will be getting into that in a second. I just thought I'd let you guys know. So the last video I did, I think I mentioned that I was moving, or that like I had just been accepted for a house. I'm in my new house, as you can see, slightly different background. I have doors. So yeah, I'm in a brand new house. Me and my boyfriend have bought a house together, and we've been living in it since at the start of August. So that's been kind of crazy. We've done that. We also were not intending on having a dog until Christmas, but we bought a puppy, and it's literally like having a child. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen some pictures of him. I don't know. I have put some pictures on Instagram in case you wanted to see the little pup. And I've also joined the gym. I've been doing it a lot, and I've not been videoing for a very long time, and I'm struggling to look at the camera because the lights are like blinding me, and I think it's just because I've not adjusted to the lights. Maybe I'll turn them. I hope that's okay for you. I feel like that might be a bit better for me. So, makeup. I don't actually remember how to apply my makeup these days. This is pretty much as glam as I get. Before my birthday, so back in July, just before my birthday, I made a Colourpop order, and it's still in the box. I've yet to, well, I've opened it, but I've not actually had a good little look in there. So yeah, it's kind of just been sat in the corner of my room, makeup room, and collecting dust basically. So we're actually going to do this video because that's the intention that I wanted to do. I wanted to do a video to show you what I bought. Basically this is my birthday makeup that I bought myself. My birthday was in July. Sorry for the delay, I do apologise. You may be able to tell, it's quite a hefty box I've got here. So I'm just gonna pick and go. So the first thing I have here is a brow pencil in the shade light brown. And I do intend on doing a video, cross fingers, of testing Colourpop makeup. So this is kind of what the packaging looks like. Got a little kind of eyebrow brush there, and it's just a standard brow pencil basically. But I'd give that a go because I usually use pomades, so I give that one a good go. And I think the shade is, yeah, I kind of like the shade. It's not too harsh. It's quite a soft brown, which is what I usually go for. I've kind of changed the style of my brows. I don't know how I showed you. It's been so long, guys. I don't know what I've done and what I haven't done. I've kind of been avoiding YouTube just because I feel like I'm like failing at it. Just because I've just been so busy. You know, usually I end up doing a video like every week, or if it's like been a busy week for me, maybe once every 2 weeks. But it's just, life's just got in the way. So, I don't know what I've done, I can't remember. The next thing I have here is a cream gel colour. But what is this? Oh, okay, it's a white gel eyeliner. Feels quite creamy. I think because I just wanted to try out, see, you're just doing like a normal winged liner with this one and see how it wore, if it cracked. Because I don't usually get the best of luck with white eyeliners. So this one is in the shade Exit. So I would like to test that out and see if I get any cracking, because that's the main thing that I don't really enjoy getting, to be honest. So the next thing I have here is a lippy pencil, and this is in the shade Stay On Point. No, that's not it, is it? I think it's in the shade BFF. So, a nude, more of a peachy nude. So that is the colour there. I think that's like a perfect shade for me. Nothing too orange, kind of very neutral, pinky peach, which I think tends to go better with my skin complexion. Because if I do anything too warm, so this I don't think is too warm, but if I do anything too warm, then it can make my mouth look very orange. The next one I have is a Freckle Pen. Now I might be really late to the bandwagon here, but I've really wanted to try these Freckle Pens for ages. What do you do? Just dot and then tap? Can you see that? Those little tiny dots. Well, that looks natural, right? What shade did I get it in? Did it have a shade? You know what, it's been so long. Oh, soft brown. This is in the shade soft brown. I have got some natural freckles, like on my forehead and a bit on my nose here, but they're not very like prominent. Like if I've got no makeup on, then you can see like little brown dots I've got, but you wouldn't, like I've never associated them with being freckles. I just thought I was like spotty. So the next thing I have is in the Bluff. What is this? A cream gel liner duo. Overboard and Juniper. Oh, this is a black and a brown. By the way, at the time that I bought all these things, there was a big like sale on the website. It was like everything going for like 30% off, 40% off, 50% off. It must have been like, I don't know, getting ready for like the 4th of July or something. I don't know, I can't remember. But I know there was a massive sale on. So these are my cream gel liners. This is, I don't think this is black. I think this is just a dark brown and this is slightly lighter brown. So yeah, that one's just a dark brown with a hint. It's got a hint of like a glitter in it. And this one is, oh, a bronze. Oh, interesting. Okay, so we've got a brown, like a dark brown. Really dark brown there with some like bits of glitter, a bit of a sheen, and then this is like a bronze, so that's like straight up shiny. They're very creamy as well, by the way. I feel like the products that I've chosen so far are very creamy. So this is from the Barbie collection. It's the Luxe gloss. Ooh, I love the packaging. I think that's what, I think Colourpop do that really well. The packaging, like even the box. Can you see the box now? Like it's actually got a thumper on. And the packaging of the gloss. By the way, I love the lime green. I like that. And they've just got a picture of Thumper there. Gloss is pink, like a peachy pink, with a sheen on it. I've got gloss on at the minute, so I don't think you'd get the full effect. But I will try this in a get ready with me testing new things. Yeah, that one looks really cute. The next one is a Luxe lipstick in the shade Appy. Oh, I bought this one because I remember thinking to myself, the Minions song, cause I'm happy. But like as a British person, not a lot of us pronounce the H. So we'd say happy instead of happy. So yeah, it reminded me of that, basically. Ooh, like a rosy gold, pinky. Ooh, okay, so that's the colour of the lipstick. Like a nudish pink. And there it is there. So it's very moisturising like it's a very moisturising lipstick. So yeah, that one's really cute. Again with the packaging. And this is a gloss, and this is called Electric. So this one's a bit more on the nudie side. It still has the glitteriness on the inside. Oh, by the way, they smell. What do they smell like? They smell like some sort of food. They smell nice. I appreciate a good smelling product. Okay, another thing I have is a gel liner again, and it is in the shade Insomniac. Is this pink? Ah, it's the pink. So here we are, bright neon pink. Looky that. Oh wow, that is bright neon. I'm not the best at swatching, I do apologise. So this is another gel liner. No, this is a liquid liner, my bad. And it's just a standard black liquid liner. And it's just like a felt tip one. Very fine tip. This one is a Lippy Stick. I've always wanted to try one of these. I think these are like one of the first things that Colourpop ever came out with. And I remember searching high and low, and this was obviously back when Colourpop didn't even deliver to the UK. So I used to look on Amazon all the time. And they would be like a mega buck, so they'd be like 20 quid and stuff like that, and it's like on the website they're not that much. So this one is in Caramella. That is very pink. Oh god, I did the worst swatch. I am really sorry. That is very pink. I think I'm gonna have to go with like a deeper liner with this on, just because I don't feel like pink looks the best on me, so I don't know why I ordered pink stuff. Well, I mean, you know, we'll try it. I do think I'm gonna have to go with like a deeper liner. Next thing, I've wanted to try this for like my whole entire life, basically. This is Flexitarian, the Super Shock like highlighters that they do. And I think Flexitarian is just like the OG. So this is what it looks like. I think the packaging may have been updated. I feel like it looks more sleeker than it did when I used to watch like the old like Kathleen Lights videos on Colourpop. Show you that little swatch. Okay, can you see the light? Ah, there you go. You see it? I think this is the only highlighter I've made. I honestly, I don't remember. It was so long ago. But apparently I did buy some lashes. These look kind of cute though. They're in the style Mammy. Can you see? Very long. What is this? Another liquid liner. What colour is this in then? Grande. Is that a brown? I don't know. I'm thinking of coffee. Is it a brown? It is a brown. Oh, that one. This tip feels nicer than the other one. I wonder where that is. So the brown is there. Yeah, I feel like that tip feels nicer than the other one. Another thing I got is a Face and Body Bronzing Balm. I think I wanted to do this for cream contour. So here we go. So it looks like that, and this one's in the light shade. So that's the shade of it. I think that'll be okay for me. Okay, the next thing I have is a Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation in the shade Light 40N. Okay, that's the shade of it. Can you even see the shade? What do you think? That, I think that should be okay, right? I mean, don't know. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm thinking it might be a bit orange. And the next thing that I have is a Pretty Fresh Setting Mist. Ooh, I like this packaging. Oh, I like the... Oh, it smells nice. It does smell coconutty. It smells nice. And the spray is really like... Ooh, that spray. Like the actual applicator of the spray is nice. What else did I buy? What is this? A Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Fair 1N. Again, very nice packaging. I like the kind of sleek, plain... Well, it's not plain, but you know what I mean? It's very basic. It's not too in your face. I think this would be a better shade for me, you know? You know me, I don't mind a tinted moisturiser either. Because it pretty much blends into your skin, but it kind of gives your skin like a bit of a filter, nearly. I think I'm probably going to prefer this one, if I'm honest. Got some Hello Kitty. I was never a fan of Hello Kitty growing up, I'll be honest with you, I don't know. I was born in 97, so maybe, I don't know, maybe I missed it? No, I didn't miss it, did I? I don't know, I just don't remember ever vibing with Hello Kitty. It just wasn't my thing. So this is the Hello Kitty Pressed Powder Blush in the shade Aloha Honey. Aloha Honey. Oh, but that packaging is dead cute though, don't you think? Oh, that's dead cute, man. I mean, Hello Kitty is wearing a bikini and she's winking at me, but still cute. So it's very kind of corally pink, which is, I don't know, I quite like that, to be honest. Just have to wait and see how it looks on the face. And the next thing I have, I bought the big Detox Mud Mask. Don't think I need any more face masks, but what anyway. And it's supposed to clarify clogged skin and detoxing, refining, invigorating. Got the good stuff in, such as tea tree, eucalyptus, colon clay, bamboo charcoal. Okay, then it just says leave on 5 to 20 minutes, 5 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off. So it's not a peely one, it's just a, you know, put on your face, rub it off. It smells very minty. It must be the tea tree. It smells really good though. I'll try that when I next have a bubble bath, I reckon. Yeah, I like the packaging. This is like, I like this kind of packaging. Like, it doesn't look too bougie, it just looks practical. Like, if I drop it, it's not gonna break, which I can appreciate. Right, so I have a palette, and the palette is a Barbie one. Now, I don't remember ever being really into Barbie a lot as a kid, but I remember having Barbies, but it was the Barbies from the movies. Like Swan Lake, Princess and the Pauper, like those kind of movies. I remember having the Barbies from those movies. So this is the Malibu Barbie palette. That's kind of what the packaging looks like. And it's got all the names of the colours on the back, and the pictures are like poofy. They're squidgy. Ooh, interesting colours. So here we have it. So we've got like a bit of pinks, we've got some blues, we've got some neutrals, and these shimmery. So yeah, they have the names on the back, but they also have the names under the palettes. So I doubt I'm gonna actually be looking a lot at the back. But yeah, these colours are really cute. This is a close up just to show you. But yeah, so there's 6 shimmers, 8 mattes. Very nice. I did buy another palette. It's the Baby Got Peach palette. These are like the 9-pan palettes. They do quite a lot of them, but the peachy one just looked more up my street. Wow. Is that a glitter? Oh, that is a glitter. Wow, that's a glitter, dude. Look at that. That's a loose glitter. Oh, those colours look really nice. I think these are probably going to be more for like summer vibes, but I don't know, I think you can get away with peachy tones in autumn. So you have 1, 2, 3 shimmers, a loose glitter, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. I do have another palette. This is the Bare Necessities, which just makes me think of like Mowgli, but that's Bare Necessities. But that was the Bare Necessities. The Bare Necessities, yeah, it's Bare Necessities. The packaging here, it's got like that crocodile print. It's a crocodile snake? Crocodile? I think it's crocodile, I don't know. But it's kind of got that kind of, like you fill the pattern. And then on the back, it's got all the names of the shades, and that's a lot of names. And then when we open it up, there we go. So I've got some warm tones and I've got some cooler tones, which I guess why it's called the Bare Necessities, because you can have a bit of both. So you definitely have a good variety of shimmers and mattes. You've got like pretty much like a white there, very handy. You've got your brow bone highlight, you've got your black's important. You've got a bunch of like shadows ranging from copper to purple, to champagne, to silver, Oh, that's a nice shade. Very nice. I think I'm definitely gonna have to use this at some point in my life. And the last thing that I bought was some brushes, because I thought I have to try some Colourpop brushes. So it just comes in a whole thing. Gives you 15 brushes. Don't ask me how much I paid for it. Can't remember. Right, this big brush is calling my name. So it comes with a dress and a hat. So a little couple of loose hairs, but that's probably a bit normal for brand new brushes. Well, for that video that I plan on doing, I can always give it a little test. Yeah, I see it being used for a bronzer. So this one I would say was more for like cream contouring, so like using the cream and then, no, it's quite dense. So some sort of cream product. I'd say this one's a powder contour. So it looks thin that side and then longer that side. But I would say that would be more for contouring with powder perhaps. I don't know, does it say the name of the kit? No, it doesn't. But they all begin with the letter E. So unless it's an E collection. No, they don't all begin with E, some of them are Fs. Oh, I don't know. And I am going to be keeping this little bag because I think it's very cute, especially if you want to go travelling. These are all of the brushes. I feel like it's just been so long since I've been in front of the camera. I don't know, I just feel a bit nervous. But, you know, I've been out of the game, guys. I've been way out of the game. So, yeah, I mean, that was my Colourpop order from months ago. And I think it took like half a month to even get to the UK, I think. I don't think it took a full month, but they were pretty backed up because of the sale. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if there was anything else you were interested in. I'm kind of also thinking about starting up either doing like gaming videos on this channel or starting up another channel to do gaming videos. So I don't know if I wanted to add them onto this channel, make a brand new channel dedicated to that. Because then I have to handle 2 channels and I'm a very lazy person. Also, don't forget to give it a like and, you know, maybe subscribe. So yeah guys, I'll just see you guys in the next one, hopefully relatively soon. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Bye!